Now, if you go to your iTunes, just click on a record here. If you look at the bottom there, red triangle and 3 red circles, it says My Car. That's the Bluetooth system in here. If for any reason it's not ticked, just tick on it, click back, click play. Now I'll just turn this down, and then we go to media here. Media is showing the track that's playing. I'll just click it again. Now if you had a USB stick in, you could alter it to USB, but there's no other media connected to it. So there you go. We'll turn that up here, and then very quickly turn it up on my iPhone, because can't put it on too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. So there you go. It's there you go. It's playing through the system. So that's how you do it. Really simple, easy, and good system to use.